Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your auto rear wiper in reverse in the 2022 Kia Forte5. I have in front of me here a GT Limited DCT in Gravity Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head to the 10 1/4 inch infotainment screen. We can either push the setup button under the screen to the right here, or we can swipe to the left from the home screen and hit setup in the bottom right corner. Then I'm going to go into vehicle in the top left. And then on the left, I'm going to scroll up to convenience. And then in the middle, scroll up just a little bit to auto rear wiper in reverse. So if I go ahead and select that, if I were to turn on my front wipers, and we'll just get them moving here. So right now the wipers are going, and I have not turned on the rear wiper at all. So now if I were to go into reverse, you can see in the rear view mirror there, if I were to go in reverse, you'll see that the rear window is rear wiper is going to start moving. So it's just literally a convenience feature, so that if you were to have forgotten to put on your rear wiper, or you just don't use it very often, it'll just help clear the rear window for you. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.